Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about rheumatoid arthritis flare ups and 10 tips to manage your joint pain flares. So, one of the frustration with rheumatoid arthritis is the sudden flare ups. Managing and overcoming this joint pain flares can be tiresome, but over the years I have come up with 10 tips that I will share with you in this video that has helped me come out of my flares soon, and I sincerely hope that they help you too. Hi, my name is Pramila Gupta, and I have been living with rheumatoid arthritis for the past 11 years, and it is my mission now to help those suffering from the disease called rheumatoid arthritis to be able to live a more joyful life. So, let me begin with first understanding what is a flare. Flare is more of a reaction to any kind of action. It could be that you are going through too much stress in your life. It could be a sudden increase in the inflammatory food or overexertion, or sometimes the trigger is unknown why we get a flare. But when we are experiencing a flare, there is a shooting pain, and the pain is so excruciating, and the pain doesn't seem to go away. So, this kind of flare can last for a few days, at times for weeks, months, or even years, depending on the progression of your disease. But it's so important when you're going through a flare to listen to your body and learn how to overcome it and how to manage it so that the flare doesn't last too long, or at least you are more comfortable when you're going through it. So let's now begin with the 10 tips that have helped me, and I hope it helps you too. If you are already on medication, these are the 10 tips that you can apply in your life. Number 1, hydration. So, drinking a lot of water can help you flush out the toxin, and it also supports your digestion. So staying hydrated is one of the key things to feeling better. You can also start your day by having a warm cup of lemon water. This also can aid your digestion, and it can reduce your inflammation. So, drinking lots and lots of water is the number one tip that you can start doing if you are undergoing or you are going through a flare that is right now. Number two is teas. So try adding a lot of soothing herbal teas like a lemongrass tea with ginger or a hot cup of green tea. These herbs are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, and they can help you in reducing your inflammation. Number three that you must add is anti-inflammatory food. So start incorporating food now like berries and other kind of fruits like pomegranate or papaya, and add leafy green vegetables like spinach, fenugreek, and all kind of different vegetables in your diet. So these are anti-inflammatory, and they can help you reduce your inflammation. And stop using processed food, sugar, trans fat, excessive dairy. Stop all of these inflammatory items from your diet so that your inflammation starts reducing. The number fourth one to add is gentle movement. While very this might seem very difficult, especially when you are in a flare. You might find that your joints are stiff and painful, and moving them is the last thing that you want to do. But I must tell you that this is something that you have to do, even if it's very small movements. You don't have to go all out and go in a gym when you're going through a flare. All I'm saying is slight movement, like even if it's rotation of your joints, going for a walk, or if you can handle yoga, then doing yoga. Otherwise, even if it's rotating your joints on your own, but constant movement of the joints, that helps the blood flow in the joints, and it removes and reduces the inflammation and the stiffness in the joints. The next one to add, that is the fifth one item, is probiotics. So prebiotic food, like what I've already mentioned, salads and greens, leafy greens, they are already, you have to add them, and with that you have to add probiotic food too, which is like the fermented fruits, fermented vegetables, if you can handle them. And if you cannot handle right now, your gut is too sensitive and you cannot handle fermented vegetables, then go for a probiotic supplement, which will add the good bacteria in your gut, and it's going to support your gut health. So this would also reduce the inflammation and lessen your pain. So the sixth one is supplements. Adding supplements that can support your health by increasing the nutrients like zinc, vitamin A, turmeric, vitamin D3, vitamin E, all of omega 3. These are all supplements that support your body and help in reducing the inflammation because they're antioxidant. So do add supplements if you are going through a flare. Number seventh one is hot and cold packs. I'm sure most of you must be already doing this, but it's a list, so I'm adding it here. So one of the things that has worked always is a hot pack or a cold pack. Whatever works for you, do keep doing that on your joints. You can put some local anti-inflammatory ointment on your joint and then add these cold pack or a hot pack. So this also relieves and your the joint and relieves the pain in the joint. Number eight is massage. So massage is also a great way to reduce pain. This has specially worked for me, and I urge you to try it and see if it works for you too. When we use arthritic Ayurvedic massage oils, if you get that, do order them. And when you get a massage done from such an oil, you will see that it helps in reducing the inflammation in the joint, because the blood circulation around the joints, the increase in the blood circulation, it helps to reduce the toxicity in the joint. Number nine, I would say, is fasting. So, if you have never done fasting here, I would ask you to first consult with your doctor before giving it a try. But if you have done it before, consider adding intermittent fasting into your routine. So, you can start with a simple 12 hours fasting. That is, if you eat by 8 p.m. in the night and you have not eaten anything by 8 a.m. in the morning, that is a 12-hour window. You have not eaten anything and given rest to your digestive system. This is going to boost your digestive system, and it's going to help your immune system too. Number 10 and the last one is rest. This is often not considered too much because we have so much of going on things going on in our life, but rest is extremely important if you are undergoing a flare. So give your body time to recover and time to heal itself. Resting your joints and relaxing your mind with deep breathing exercises like pranayam and good sleep, they are going to add help your body to feel better faster. Taking it slow and asking help from your friends or family if you are undergoing a flare is again another way of resting. Help your body to feel better faster. Taking so I have given you here 10 effective ways to reduce your pain in your joints if you are going through a flare. So I'm don't add all of them together. Go slow and see what works for you and what doesn't, because everybody is different and they react differently. So whatever works for someone else might not work for you. So do experiment and see what works for you and what doesn't. And if you have found this video helpful in any way, then like and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss out on all the other important information that I'm going to be sharing on this channel. So thank you so much, take care, and hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you.